See hundreds of people out there in the stands. It feels, it's almost like a game day atmosphere here.
Thank you!
Yeah, it's a great day. So on a scale, a lot of the conversation in advance of the event was how difficult the bike course was. Let's put it at a 0 to 10, 10 being the hardest bike course you've ever ridden. What kind of number would you give the course here at Ironman 70.3 Happy Valley?
Yeah, so I would say a 9. It's a tough bike course. It got humid on the bike. I actually forgot to put my bike computer on my bike, so I rode pretty much without power the entire time. I was blind to how fast I was going. Yeah, I definitely hit some rough spots on the bike. My headset stayed together this time, but one of my aero bars, actually the pad fell off, so I don't have the best luck with this sort of stuff, but got off the bike. I was hoping to have a little bit more of a lead than I did, but I felt pretty good on the run the first couple miles.